Hello, 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 guys. Welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl, Georgette, with another one. And if you're new to me, welcome for the first time. Thanks for joining and watching. A little bit about my channel is that I strive to inspire you, yes, you, and motivate you. And in doing so, you may just transform your lives like I have done. And so please do not subscribe as yet. Please wait for the end. Smash in on the subscribe, like, share, put your notifications on. Yes, guys, I drop a video every day. So, how is 2021 goals going? How are those? Everybody set resolutions, New Year's resolutions, set goals, write down whatever they want to do. How are they going? It's what? Today's the 15th. How are the goal setting going? And so oftentimes people get hype up with the new year, and then in a week they're cold. But let's talk about those goals for 2021. What are your goals? What goals you've set for 2021? Why are you putting them off? Whatever you can do tomorrow. I heard someone said this. Whatever you can do tomorrow, you can do today. Whatever you can do today, you can do right now. So, people set things up, say, okay, I'm going to start doing such and such tomorrow. I'm going to start working out tomorrow. Guess what? Get your joggers on and head down the street right now. Whatever you are putting off for tomorrow, you can do today. Whatever you're saying you can do today, just get up and do it right now. And that's how you really move, because oftentimes people procrastinate. Oh, I'll do it next week. Oh, I'll do it at the end of the month when I get paid. You don't have to enroll in the gym. You can start jogging. And that's just a prime example. You're waiting to get paid to go to the gym, but you can just throw some joggers on. You can throw some tennis shoes on and head down your road right now, your street, your corner, wherever you live. You can do it today. And so get started right now. Today, now. Don't put it off. And so if you're setting your big goals and you're procrastinating, another way to really get yourself started and just get with it is to have slots, time slots. You slot out times throughout the day, and you say, okay, I'm getting up at this time, and I do that. I'm getting up at this time. I do this thing at around this time. It doesn't have to be specific 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, because I don't do that. Because I say at 12 noon, I'll be doing that. And then I go on, I don't have a specific time that it ends. And then go on by 2 o'clock, so I'm not going to say from 12 to 1 because I may still be doing that task and I don't want to be thrown off. But slot out time where you do the most, your important stuff that you need to work on the goal, yeah? Like you want to exercise. Are you going to do it before you go to work in the morning if you go to work? Or are you going to do it in the evening? My slotted time out, it's 5 p.m. every day. I do my jogging, I do my resistance training, I do my abdominal workout, my push-ups, whatever it is. And that is that I'm removing myself from the laptop at that time. I also shoot a video upon return from workout. So most of my videos is after I work out. Now there are times when I change that slot around. Yeah? So if you've set goals and if you're procrastinating, set times where you're going to do certain things to work on the goal. Yeah? You go to work, then after work, are you going to spend 2-3 hours going after your goals? Then that's something you need to slot that out. And then another big one is setting small goals along with the big goals, because I have my end goals, but then have have a couple smaller goals as well. And then when you accomplish those smaller goals, you really celebrate, because too often persons are like, okay, I'm one step closer. Yeah, and I've been guilty of that. You accomplish this goal and you just brush it away and, okay, one step closer. But you should celebrate. What it does, it encourages you for you to see that you are one step closer, but you are acknowledging that you have accomplished something, however small. Even if you just signed up for a master class, a free class, even if you purchased a book, or even if you just researched and gained some new knowledge, you got to say, oh, wow, today I did quite a bit of research, and I gained so much knowledge. Way to go. I like to do like this. Way to go, Georgette. Way to go. When I reached my first 100 subscribers, I pat myself on the back. I went on the beach, had me a glass of wine. When I got to 150, the other day I uploaded my 200th videos. You have to celebrate your small wins as you're on your journey. And that is what pushes you and drives you into the large goal. Yeah. And then the final one is really managing your time. So we have the time slot when you slot out your time. And then this one is really managing your time. Yeah. And so you really have to manage it even when you are cooking, And so I heard Lisa said what she does with her time management is that she doesn't call it a task, because too oftentimes you look at your time management sheet and you say, okay, time to exercise. You feel like, oh my gosh, I don't want to exercise. What she was saying, she named her exercise Getting Her Sexy Back. So when you look at your task for the day, and I see at 5 o'clock, I have to go get my sexy back. Then I'm excited to do that. And then when you look like you have to prepare your meals, she said she called that nourishing my body. And so that's a little hint for you guys, because you got to be good. We got to be good to ourselves. As we're on this journey, those of you who have big goals for 2021, you got to be good to yourself. You got to feed yourself those good stuff. And writing down your tasks for the day like that, it's a good idea. And I like that idea myself. For me, and as I have my time slotted out for my videos, most of the time it's after my workout. I like to shoot my video when I come right in after my workout, and sometimes throughout the day I'll change it up a bit. And so I like to put where I am now going to inspire and motivate others. I like to say that because I really do think that I am doing that. And so I'll put motivating, inspiring, and I'm going to now motivate, inspire, and motivate others. And so these are just a few tips I give you if you're procrastinating on the goal for 2021. If you've set your goals and you're just procrastinating and haven't get started as yet, a lot of persons find themselves stuck. They don't know to go left or to go right. They may not see the finances. They don't know how to move about. And the first step is start now. Don't put something off for tomorrow that you can do today. Don't put something off for later today that you can do right now. So if you don't know what you're into, go and start doing the research. That's a step. Start researching something that you may find a niche, and a niche is something that you're interested in. Yeah, whether it's beauty, whether it's romance, relationship, whether it's money, making money, whether it's mindset, you may find yourself a niche, a topic, an area of interest for you. And when you find that, you slot times out throughout the day when you will do certain things towards the goal. You work, you come home, you're going to get something to eat, you're going to shower, and you're going to put 3 hours in working on the goal, yeah? And then set micro small wins. Small wins. That when you arrive at those goals, you celebrate like crazy. And that drives you, that just encourages you, because we have to be good to ourselves. And then after you set those little tiny wins and you accomplish them, you feel so good. And then now you really manage your time. And in managing your time, you put the end goal. What is it? What you do when you're cooking? You're preparing a meal to nourish your body. You put those nice things that when you're meditating, what are you doing? Visualizing your goals and your dreams. So you can put, I'm going to visualize my goals and dreams. I'm going to create my dream life. You know, so those are some little tips I have for you guys that I have learned and that I'm implementing in my goal setting and my day-to-day task and going about my day-to-day, how I'm setting it up. I'm actually still in the mode of setting it up, writing these lovely things, getting my sexy back at 5 p.m. every day, nourishing my body in the morning. I make a protein shake most morning, you know, so that's what I have learned, and I'm passing it on to you. As we're in 2021, if you're procrastinating, just get started doing something right now. Guys, I thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed, please smash in on the subscribe, guys. Like and share the video. A lot of people are still procrastinating. They are stuck. They don't know where to go and what to do. And all you need to do is just make a little movement towards the goal. Just go on YouTube, go and Google, put something in and just start. You just need to ignite the fire. Yeah, so please subscribe, like, share, leave me a comment down below. I will leave you a free gift and a step-by-step guide how to help you achieve your big goals, your small wins, and live your dream life. Guys, I thank you for watching. I love you so much. I send you love and light. It's your girl, Georgette. Mwah! Bye-bye. Videos are popping up. Keep watching. See you on the next one.